This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming verification is complete and your current account type. Once done, decide which platform you need, MT4, MT5, or the Exness terminal, because platform type cannot be swapped on an existing account. Now open a new trading account in your personal area, pick platform, account currency, leverage, and trading server. Set a secure password and save server details. Make sure you record account ID and credentials. You will use them to connect the platform app next. Once your new account exists, install the chosen platform app and log in using the new account ID and server. You need to transfer or import your templates, indicators, and any expert advisors. This preserves your setups and reduces errors. Then configure chart timeframes, order defaults, and notification preferences. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication on the personal area for security. Finally, fund the new account with a small test deposit so you can validate execution and spread. You finish by placing a controlled live test trade to confirm execution, spread, and slippage meet your expectations. Once satisfied, close or hedge any remaining positions on the old platform and transfer capital by depositing to the new account or withdrawing from the old one. Do not transfer positions directly between platform types. Make sure all story templates and EAs behave identically. If something goes wrong, log in failures. Missing instruments, first clear app cache and re-enter credentials. If that fails, contact Exness support with screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.